Hey guys, Sandy here, and today I am getting ready to show you my kit for July. Now, I just got a Shutterfly order in the mail, so I have all of these holiday time photos. So I have like cookies, decorating a door at work, work parties, like hanging out, dinners, sleeping under the tree, like Christmas itself. I've got Christmas pictures out the wazoo. I also have a concert that we went to, the Trans-Siberian Orchestra Christmas concert. So I have this stack of Christmas photos, and I figured, since it's July, why don't I just make my July kit with Christmas stuff, and then I can see how many of these I can knock out. So, let me grab my Christmas stuff. We'll find my piece of paper that I love, and we'll build everything off of that. Okay guys, I have pulled everything I am going to pull. And of course, I will not pull things like enamel dots or inks or anything like that, because I'm just going to use those. So all of my Christmas stuff fits in one Cropper Hopper 12x12 paper holder and one photo box. So I didn't even decide to find something that I really just liked. I just started flipping through and pulling stuff. So let's see what I got. We'll start with the 12x12 sheets. I have these two sheets from Pink Fresh Studio, the Oh Joy collection, and it's these fun Christmas trees on this side and then these presents on this side. What I'm going to do is create a double page layout with the Christmas trees. So I already know that I'm going to be doing that. Like, that's all there is to it. Then this Merry Christmas paper. This is also from Pink Fresh Studio. Then I have an Echo Park 'Tis the Season. It has some cut-aparts on this side. I pulled it for this paper, but I really like this card, so I might cut out this card and just use the rest as paper. And I am mixing cream and white and different levels of it. This is 'Tis the Season. It has reindeer and trees and snowflakes on this side. Again, not for this side. I like the candy cane stripe. This is the Story of Christmas, also from Echo Park. I like this side and I like this side. I have more Story of Christmas, this polka dot. Probably not going to use that side. I really like the polka dot. One more Story of Christmas. Santa on that side, and then we have the striped with the wood grain on that side. This is from Merry and Bright from Fancy Pants. It's black on this side, and then Christmas music on that side. Here's another Merry and Bright. Love these Christmas trees on this side, and then this plaid on this side. Another Merry and Bright, the blue, and then this striped, which brings in that blue. This is from Christmas Magic Paper Pad, and the blues kind of connect. Another Christmas Magic Paper Pad. Actually, I have two more. We have the lights. And then I also have these Christmas words from Chamel's Christmas Magic Paper Pad. This is a sheet of plaid paper from the Paper Studio. Not exactly sure where this one came from, but it is a gold foil paper. Then I have some snowflakes, and this is white and red, and I also have cream and green. And then I have this glitter stripe. I also had this paper, which is the same stripe I've pulled out in the past, but it's something I got at the center, so I just pulled this out as well. I have this 8x10 thing from My Mind's Eye. I have a 6x8 page from Simple Stories. I have some scraps of this holly paper. I have two full 6x6 sheets from the Pink Fresh line, and then this piece that I've cut apart. I also have some Tim Holtz Christmas 8x8 papers that I've pulled in. So those are that. Then I have these two sticker sheets, which are almost gone. This is Classic Christmas, and this is Very Merry, both from Simple Stories. I have the Merry and Bright puffy stickers. Some of them, I mean a lot of them are gone. I have the Comfort and Joy stickers from My Mind's Eye. I have this trim, which is from Making Memories. It's super, super old, so I want to use that. I have these gold puffy stickers from Sugar Plum from My Mind's Eye. I have a Hero Arts stamp and die set that I haven't ever used, so I want to definitely use that. And then I have some stickers. So I have some word stickers, I have some leftover stickers from Chamel, I have pieces of word stickers, I have some more little word stickers. I have two 6x6 sheets of paper from My Mind's Eye. I have these Tim Holtz Christmas rub-ons. I have a roll of washi tape, and I pulled this because this actually is in my Christmas stash. It's not just in my washi tape stash, and it's a gold. I have some white wood veneer stars. I pulled two wood veneer Christmas trees, a wood veneer wreath, and a little metal thing that says Merry Christmas. I also pulled out this tree ribbon. I bought this on clearance and at the end of this last Christmas season, so I want to use some of that. Then in here, I have my Comfort and Joy die cuts from My Mind's Eye. I also have some wood veneer from Basic Grey Evergreen. I have a coaster. This is actually another coaster. And then I have various die cuts and little bits that are just in a big bag because that's how I store my Christmas stuff. So there is the kit, and like I said, I reserve the right to pull anything I think I would need from my stash, whether it be Christmas stuff or non-Christmas stuff. But the goal is to see how much of this stuff right here I can get used up for the month of July. And I'm just going to put it in this same desk organizer. And this is a very old desk organizer, and my head just hit the camera, sorry. It's a very old desk organizer from Longaberger. And as you guys might already know, they filed for bankruptcy or some sort of nonsense. So, and it sucks because when I rediscovered this, I was just using it for rub-ons, but when I rediscovered it, I was like, this would be awesome for all kinds of kits that I am currently working with. But since they did the whole bankruptcy, going out of business, what in the world is going on with this company thing, I guess I'm just going to have to suck it up and use it for only a couple things at a time, because I'm not going to be able to have multiple of these for my kits. So here it is. I'm going to put the Christmas photos in there as well. There is my July kit. It's all Christmas. Hope you guys don't get sick of it. Don't worry, I'll be doing some other things on my channel that are not Christmas. So there it is. Keep watching and we'll see what I can do.